depression formed in the Bay of Bengal is intensifying and may develop into a cyclone within the next 24 hours. According to the Meteorological Department, strong winds ranging from 40 to 60 km per hour are expected until Tuesday, making the sea rough. Authorities have advised fishermen not to venture into the sea and urge those already at sea to return safely to shore. Under its influence, moderate rains with the thunderstorms are likely in districts of North Andhra and coastal Andhra, including Srikakulam, Vijayanagaram, Parvatipuram, Manyam, Alluri, Vishakhapatnam, Eluru, Nellore and Tirupati. Light rains are expected in Anakapalli, Kakinada, Konasima, East and West Godavari, Krishna, Prakasham and Chittoor districts. Officials have cautioned the public to remain alert, especially during thunderstorms, and avoid venturing outdoors.